Welcome to Paige Family Homestead. It's me, Andy. And Peggy's right there. She can't hide. As you know, it's May 25th, 28th, I think, right now. Normally, we'd be planting our gardens right now, but because we're not moving, we're moving in 2 more weeks. Awesome. We're starting this way, so we're up a little bit further. Right here is my new pear tree that we're taking with us.
And it's self-pollinating.
It's self-pollinating.
It's been grafted.
Same with this apricot tree, self-pollinating. And I've got over yonder 2 apple trees, and these are Honey Crisps apples. Both of them are Honey Crisp apples. Now over here, I've started.
Wait, let me walk through the fruit
Watch out for
orchard here.
The birds. Over here, I've got my beefsteak tomatoes. I'll plant it up. And over here is Better Boys.
Oh, look, Michelle, he labeled them.
Yes, I know what they are.
Down here are beefsteak as well.
Come this way.
Oh, it's starting to rain.
Yep.
Girls, get in the house.
And Roland, here's your idea of the potatoes. Mine are coming up really well.
And they're movable.
And they're movable, yes. Here's our chives. Tomato plants. Here. Beefsteak, there's German tomatoes, cherry tomatoes.
We're big on the cherry tomatoes. Yeah. They're awesome pickled.
Here's a seedless grapevine.
2 more weeks, plants, yep. Just 2 more weeks.
Blueberries.
Oh,
this is Dukeberry blueberries, and this one is Northern Blueberry. So I have Northern Blueberry and Duke blueberries.
And what's that one? The big one there. It's a different one.
Loofah.
No.
Which one?
Right there, that blueberry.
That blueberry would be...
Look at the blooms on it already.
It would be...
Polaris
blueberries.
More tomatoes.
Another grapevine.
Another grapevine there.
There's tomato here.
Where's my loofah? My loofah is not doing good.
No, I have to check into them why.
Yeah, we got to grow
and then
more.
Another grapevine here.
So even though we're moving...
We'll go this way to the rest of it. Follow the yellow brick road.
This is not going to sustain us for the next year, so we're going to rely heavily on farmers markets. And
remember that? That's that one I cut off, put in the...
Oh, the celery.
A lot of celery, yeah. More tomatoes. And right here we have cabbage. Going. There's more tomatoes and jalapenos over there. Jalapenos on a stick. Right there.
They're floating in water from the rain. We got to get that drained.
Oh, I'll drain it, yeah.
Yeah.
But other than that, pretty good. So, we're just giving you a little heads up. This is what's coming with us. So when I get up there, I can make my raised beds and put them in. Get all the soil we need, get it going.
Hopefully, we'll be able to find little seedlings because we won't be doing it by seed.
We might be... We're only going to be about 2 weeks behind our normal growing season. So
that can cripple us.
It can hurt us, but not really. We should be okay. We should be okay. We started before in June.
Getting it done north of 7. He's got how many cucumber plants?
Oh, I don't know.
Roland, we're coming for pickles.
We're coming pickles. I've got cucumbers, but I haven't planted any yet. I will, though, be starting them this week, actually. Yeah. So when we get up there, they'll be well situated so I can put them in the ground. Okay, we'll see you next time. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit that bell, ding ding ding, and thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think we should grow too as well. Give us an idea so we don't forget, because I have that tendency to forget. Okay, see you later.